I'm visiting the boat show in Poros in Greece to get a better feel for these yachts, to check it out for our clients, for our customers, to see if they are up to our standard and meet the crew so we can assist our clients in picking the best yacht for their needs. If you're interested in chartering one of these amazing catamarans in Greece, just let me know. My name's Stephanie and I'd love to help you put together your charter experience.